welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. My name's Emily and today I'll be making a chickpea salad sandwich. And for the ingredients, we have diced cucumbers, diced carrots, diced zucchini, and then celery, red onions, Italian dressing, red peppers, and then smoked paprika, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, capers with the juice, and some green onions. And then we have chickpeas, and then we'll put an avocado on top, and then our ciabatta roll. So just to start off, I'm gonna mash up the chickpeas because this will hold everything together. And then we will add in all of the other ingredients. And all of the other ingredients are about a fourth of a cup of all the diced vegetables. Now that the chickpeas are all mashed up, we're just gonna add all of our other ingredients, and then we'll mix all of this together. The only thing that doesn't go in this mixture is the olive oil. That'll go on the outside of the bread, just to give that a little bit. And now that all the ingredients are mixed up, we're gonna slice the avocado, we're gonna slice our ciabatta roll, and then we will assemble the sandwich. So just to start out with the avocado, just going around, and then we'll take one side and slice it. And then just scoop it out of its shell, and then we'll just leave this to the side for now, and then we'll cut our ciabatta roll just right in half, and then we'll scoop some of our mixture on, get a decent amount on there, and then we'll lay our avocado across the top. This will be available in the Cafe and Bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Hope you enjoy.